Okay, this is the second one because the other one, well, we almost passed its limit. So which way? 52 seconds. No way. Someone's finally gonna score. No, we're not. It's going overtime. Jesus Christ, it's taking so long to score. I never really play much of actual games. I always play private matches because the teammates just piss me off. Yeah, of course I didn't have the angle. Oh, fuck. Bruh. You guys hate it when you, like, you're flying in the air, and then when you actually hit the ground, your car just, like, turns like that. I don't know why it does that. I think it's just something to do with the momentum that, like... Oh, fuck. I thought I had 100 boost. I'm so dumb. I only had, like, 50-something. I should have a goal here. Never mind. I actually fucked it up. Or did... Nah, yeah, I did. Why? I'm so bad. I was so good earlier. I'm gonna fucking flip reset in game. Now all of a sudden I can't even enter them. Like, what is this? There I go. Oh, fuck. How has no one scored yet? Like, what the fuck? Ow, teammate, that hurt. Oh, for them. How did I fuck that up? My god, dude, that did not happen. You guys are gonna bully for me that. You guys are gonna bully me for that, aren't you? That was like just so pathetic. I cannot believe I actually missed that. I hadn't opened it and I just fucked it. Of course they're bumping my teammate. Okay, now that is pretty saucy. If people do that, I mean, if it's a tournament, that's different. But just, a normal match. I mean, Team Rocket. From Pokemon. But it may not be because this is Rocket League. No pun intended. I cannot believe I fucked up that shot. You guys are gonna bully me for that so much. Oh my god. Don't judge. I don't know why. I don't know how or why I missed that. I just did. We'll leave it at that. Okay, so here we have drops. Surely give me an Octane. Or a Fennec. I don't care. Or a Rare, because that's just as good. Gearlock. Oh, they look so trash. Give me an import. Another... what is my luck? I do believe I already have this. Surely I can trade in, right? Nope, I cannot. I mean... non-painted, I mean. Oh, Black Wheels? I mean... They look kind of bad, not gonna lie. Okay, I was being generous, they look trash. Wait, what the I have the normal ones. Since when? I have just like the normal ones. The normal ones look a lot better. I don't know why. I mean, like, these wheels don't actually look good at all. I mean, look at the tire itself. Seriously. Yeah, no, dude. Just no. You know, I can't see all these kids with fucking painted And I made a decal blueprints, and here I am with the only painted shit is skull explosions. Like, I have two wow, dude. Oh, yeah. Burnt sienna gate. Oh, that looks so disgusting. It's fucking chocolate, bro. Actually, it looks nice. Look at that. You want some chocolate bubbles? There you go. I don't know, we could always just fucking... The first ever tournament I won was a drop shot one, and that was last season. It took me fucking ages to win a tournament. Wait, he's a heat seeker. What region is this? It never told me the region. Oh, fuck. It's not telling me the region at all. Well, that's obviously not OCE region. I mean, I'm willing to bet that that's American. Wait, no, Asia, Europe, wherever the fuck France is. Freestyle heat seeker. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, that's Cap. I mean, I actually thought that I might get something good out of the drops, and, well, I didn't. Nothing at all. Minimum plat 3. Yeah. I mean, I was just seeing what would do. Yeah, I mean, I can't join this anyway. I'm actually unranked in ones. I was Diamond 2, Div 4 in 2s, but I mean, I'm not just one of those people who shit cans their teammates because they lose. I mean, I literally had teammates that I swear they played like silver. I shit you not, there was silvers in my game. Don't ask me how they even got there. And they were carried. Cause not gonna lie, that was pretty fucked up. That was very fucked up. Now my rank has been fucked. You know, fuck the tournament, I'm just playing a game. Maybe hoops or something. Imagine, bruh, my 2's rank is... Oh wait, no, I'm still Div 3, okay. I have to say, the extra modes that I'm best at is probably drop shot. I'm actually pretty good at drop shot. Fucking redirecting in drop shot is absolutely insane. I actually did a redirect one time when there was literally just one little hexagon space open. Not on their entire field, but into the area where I had hit the ball. And, literally just went right in. Needing bounce. Bruh. I just missed that, man. Rip. That was a very weak poser. Oh my god. I feel bad for all of you watching me right now. Nope, no double tap, never mind. And I fucked the angle. Not even a reset. I tried to get a reset and I failed. Wait, damn, I could have done something cool with that. But my car had to land facing in the opposite direction. Ugh. Oh, look, I got the reset. Didn't actually expect that. Yeah. I'm sure all of you who watch my videos who actually play Rocket League are better than me. I'm the worst of the worst. Worst of the best, though, should I say. Nope, no reset, never mind. But how is that not a reset? What the actual fuck? Really? You done it again. That thing where you land and it just makes your car turn in a different direction. Never mind. It's too late for me to get a reset off. Why does it take so long to find a drop shot match? Russia is the most dead region in all of Rocket League. Bruh, let's go through the ball. Dude, what the actual fuck? Nope, oops. Well, that was a fail. Ball would have hit the roof, hit back into my car, and because of the way my car was positioned, would have gotten a reset, flip reset into goal. But, no. Never. Just never. Really? I touched that, though. Oh my god, I am literally the worst player at this game. Bronzes will laugh at me. Even people who aren't. Oh, dude, did you? That was very, very, very trash. Bruh, controller, stick drift much? Why does it do that? What is this hitbox on this fucking car? How do people get resets off that when it just does that? You get your wheels on it and just like it's like there's like a bit of space underneath your car that's like a part of your car. Almost as if your wheels are the things that see? Bruh. And you see all these freestyles getting resets as if it's not even that hard. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is why I never upload anything about when I'm playing Rocket League, because I'm absolutely trash, man. Even worse, a side swipe. How is that not a reset, man? Okay, this game is a joke. This game is rigged against me. Wow, I could have actually done something pretty good there, but nope. Why is it Burr? Is this car made out of freaking something really light? It's coming out of feathers. Dude. Oh my god, my bad. I'm the worst player this game has ever met. Bruh, what the fuck? Did y'all just see that? I hope not. Now we have a drop shot match, but I have to end it.